Hi guys, welcome back to Metabox tutorials. As you know, writing optimized content for SEO is important. That's also true to custom fields content. Today, we are going to show you how to analyze the content in custom fields using Metabox Yoast SEO integration. Metabox Yoast SEO integration helps you add the content of custom fields to the Yoast SEO content analysis. So you will know if your content is good enough for SEO. And well, this extension totally free. For example, I have a post here. I use Yoast SEO to analyze the content. There are some custom fields created by Metabox here. They add additional information for the post. Do you know that these contents, especially the long content like this field, will be also indexed by Google? So they also contribute to your post ranking. But in Yoast SEO, you don't see this tool score these contents. For example, Yoast SEO just counts the word from the default post content with 945 words. Now, we will add the custom field content to this analysis. First of all, we need to create custom fields using Metabox plugin. So we have this free Metabox core plugin installed from wordpress.org. To know more about using Metabox to create custom fields, please click the video tutorial in the top right corner. If you get one of the Metabox bundles, you will have Metabox AIO or MB Core. Just visit the list of extensions in the Metabox menu. Then, enable the Metabox for Yoast SEO extension. Otherwise, you can download this plugin in metabox.io and install it. Now, take a look at the field editor. Here is the book information field group for the post I have just shown you. Choose the field you want to add its content to the Yoast SEO analysis. Click the Advanced Settings tab. Scroll down to the Custom Settings and add New. Now, just fill in the key and value exactly like what I'm doing here. Save it. Back to the post and refresh it. The number of words now is 1053. That's because I added the content of the description to Yoast SEO. Do the same thing with other fields. It also works with clonable fields. And note that you should add the custom settings to each field, not the whole field group. The whole process can't be simpler, can it? If you love this feature, like, share, and give us your comment. Bye.